Dan Niles is founder and portfolio manager at Niles Investment Management. Dan, do you think that's why the AI infrastructure names, chips, memory are rising today?
Yeah, I mean, if you go back to last week, I think is the best way to view this. So last week, if you look at four of the big hyperscalers, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Meta, they were all down 4% on average last week with the market up. And don't forget, Oracle was down about 14% last week because they had that huge capex guide. Then you throw on top of that the SpaceX IPO, and if you're participating in that, you're listening to Elon Musk saying, we're going to have to spend hundreds of billions of dollars to achieve our goals. Right. The SOX last week was up 9%. So you were selling the hyperscalers down, but you were buying where they were spending all this money, which is the semiconductor companies. And so I think that just gets back to go to where the money is being spent, not the guys who are spending the money because they've got cash flow concerns or having to raise capital to fund that spending.
Right. Although look at SpaceX day two. What do you think?
Well, I mean, I wrote about it this weekend, right? Russell added SpaceX, said they were going to add SpaceX to their indices on June 26th. The next one will be the MSCI. That can happen in about 10 trading days after the IPO. And then the NASDAQ 100 can add it about 15 days after the IPO. So it's going to be really hard to be negative on this name until you at least get out to the NASDAQ 100 ad. After that, then things like valuation, et cetera, are going to matter. But as you know, we learned during the meme stock craze, right? Valuations can always go much higher than you ever imagined. But eventually they do normalize out. And so I think, you know, anybody who wants to be negative on this until that NASDAQ 100 ad happens, that's not a very smart idea. Right. So we'll see mid-July maybe where we are, if it's a little bit of that effect of buy the rumor, sell the fact, or however. What about the business? If the CapEx plans, if you hear what Elon Musk is saying and think about where all that spend is going, again, we've had analysts doubling their price targets on Western Digital today. I mean, we'll talk about that in Power Lunch. Is that everyone wants to know when that portion of the chase is over? And does it still have a little bit more room to run, a lot more room to run? When do we start moving on from the chip stocks to something else? Well, I don't think you can until you get to anniversarying when you had agentic AI show up. So if you go back and you think, well, when did that really kick off? OpenClaw got formalized on January 30th. And what agentic AI does is it means you need 10 to 100 times more tokens to do all of these, big tasks versus just asking a chat-based question to an AI, right? So if you have your AI go out and say, hey, book me tickets, get me a hotel room, get me a car, figure out what sites to see when I go on vacation, and put this all together in an itinerary and email it to me in Word. That'll take 10 to 100 times more tokens than if you just ask your chat-based AI, hey, what are good places to see when I go on vacation at this place, right? So that'll take at least a year, I think, so you get to early next year before you put in enough capacity and you anniversary this, and then there's a real problem. So I think this has a lot more room to run. And don't forget, valuations, like if you look at Tesla and you want to be optimistic and you say, hey, add $26 billion in revenues to because of the Google deal for $11 billion and Anthropic deal for $15 billion that they announced, you go, well, yeah, that may be all true, but you still got coming up later the fact that you have NVIDIA and other companies that are trading actually at reasonable valuations on the semi side, where you can buy an NVIDIA at just above a market multiple, but it's growing revenues at 80%. Whereas you look at a SpaceX and you say, hey, this thing, even if you want to be optimistic, it's trading at close to 45 times revenues, which is obviously pretty expensive.